you heard it here first. Thabo Mbeki versus Jacob Zuma, a battle that will never end. Let's get into it. Hi guys, my name is Asanda Kati and welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you my views and takes on trending topics happening globally. Today we were going to speak about our second former president, Thabo Mbeki, versus our third former president, Jacob Zuma, since our first black president, Nelson Mandela, you know. And basically, Thabo Mbeki is alleging that Zuma, in not so many words, he had an interview and he alleged that Zuma is basically allegedly was a spy and he infiltrated the ANC. He didn't have an allegiance to the ANC. He's wangena ngokuthi yena uzo spy and then he ended up being a part of ANC and he just felt like yafihla lokho and then fanele ukufihla lokho. You know, that's basically in not so many words what he said. And people on Twitter are basically very like lopsided in the sense that some people are saying Thabo Mbeki is obsessed with Jacob Zuma and just can't get over the fact that he lost him back in 2005 when South Africa basically demoted him as the president and made Jacob Zuma the new president. And ever since then, they say he's bitter, but other people are like, Thabo Mbeki was the best president we've ever had in South Africa. And because of that, I feel like he was done wrong by being voted out, right? So I went on my Facebook and I spoke about it, and then the people on my Facebook were basically saying, no, they were also kind of like in the middle. There was really no majority rules here because both sides of the coin were representing really good facts in the sense that the one side says Jacob Zuma was a good president because he's very charismatic and he's always on ground if we had national problems. Why wherever he is and just only spoke about certain matters when it was good and well for him, right? And others are basically saying Thabo Mbeki did so much for the country in the sense he was the one who, when the guys, it's just that I'm so bad at politics, I'm just so like I wish I paid so much attention to them so I can give you a more informed, you know what I'm saying, like a more informed point of view. But what I can say is that guys, as far as I remember, when Thabo Mbeki was still in power, as far as I remember, the country was doing quite well in the sense that our rand was doing well. It was like 10 rand to the dollar. It was 10 rand to a dollar. Meaning 10 rand was $1 ngalena. And that was very good. Right now we are 17 rand 50 to the dollar, our currency. And that means our economy is not doing that well, right? If when you compare now to back then, inflation is up, unemployment is more up, and it's like when Thabo Mbeki was around, people had jobs. People could live off of their salary. They didn't have to have multiple jobs in order to afford basic life, and others are basically saying no, Thabo Mbeki, the reason he was a good, quote unquote, good president was because he was working with abantu abelungu. Hence why he while we were being oppressed, he got an opportunity to go study abroad in London. And then while we were being oppressed, he was living the high life. So when he came back, he was basically still pushing the agenda abelungu, but in a more civilized sense, and created an equilibrium between abelungu living a beautiful life and black people, but obviously more so towards abelungu. So it's like mina uJacob Zuma bakithi akangenzelanga lutho afuqamanga. Abantu bathi uJacob Zuma ngathi saphethe amathenda ayetholakala, of which I believe that's true because my dad umuntu onamathenda and wayengeve wathola amathenda. Manje amathenda wasatholakala, sekuyi-corruption, but luckily we have Mkhwanazi basically dismantling all of those things. I hope he is via the Madlanga Commission. And it's just like even like talking about it is depressing. It's like a depressing thing because I've stopped depending on our leaders so many years ago and like reporting on it, and it almost seems like a waste of time because it feels like there is other powers that be abaphethe abokwangimpela, and then these politicians and presidents are just pawns, and we're just being shown just show. It's just for us to see, but there's really no true into engayisho ngempela ukuthi kahle kahle yeah, justice is being served. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section. If you like my opinions, please do press the like and subscribe for more of my videos. Thank you for watching and goodbye.